What's up guys, my name is Eric, and over the pandemic I decided to grow out my hair. So today I wanted to do a quick video on how I tie a man bun. It's a relatively quick and easy hairstyle that almost anyone can achieve. It just requires some patience to get to the point where you can tie one up. First of all, obviously you need to have long hair, at a minimum at least 6 inches in length. But to avoid discomfort and pulling your hair too much, I would recommend growing it out to your shoulders, if not past that. This will also give you more options on the height of where you want to wear your man bun as well. Before we get into the tutorial, here are some hair products to help assist you in achieving a man bun. I'll also leave links to each item in the description as well. First, you need some kind of a hair tie. I'm using this one from Invisibobble. It has a good hold and it maintains its shape after many uses. Also, it doesn't damage your hair by pulling it out, which is really important. Next item is a hairbrush or comb. I'm using both a wide tooth comb and a hand brush for my hair. These are mostly needed to help you straighten your hair by detangling it and removing knots. Definitely required if you're aiming for that clean, slick back man bun look. Another item I recommend is a styling product that you can work into your hair. This helps with the grip as well as taming any kind of stray hair or frizz that might pop up. I'm using this fiber cream by Redken. It has a good hold and a matte finish. It's a little bit expensive but worth the purchase in my opinion. The last item is a hair dryer and it's optional, but you may need it if you need to quickly dry your hair after washing it. Now that we talked about the hair products, let's get into the tutorial itself. First, you need to wash your hair. Not a huge requirement, but having nice clean hair will give your man bun a healthier appearance. After I shampoo and condition my hair, I like to use a cotton t-shirt to dry it off to avoid potential hair breakage that using a towel can cause. Dry it off as much as you can. If you don't have time for it to naturally air dry, use a hair dryer on cool to medium heat to quickly dry out your hair. It may feel easier to tie up when your hair is damp, but your hair will stay wet all day if you do that, so try to dry your hair as much as possible. Now let's get to the tutorial. First, place your hair tie on your dominant wrist. Next, using both hands, gather up your hair to the position where you want your bun to sit at. Once there, pull your hair through the hair tie and twist it once. Then pull it through another time and twist it again. Finally, pull it through, this time only halfway to create the bun. You can wrap the leftover tail around your bun if you want, but it's optional. And there you have it, the man bun. This is how I tie a man bun. There are plenty of other ways you can do it as well, but this is what works for me. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments, and also if you're interested in more hair videos like this as well. My name is Eric. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.